इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा। डरता हूँ हद से ज्यादा, यार हो जाएगा। इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा। डरता हूँ हद से ज्यादा, यार हो जाएगा। इश्क का दरिया हद से पार हो जाएगा। इश्क का दरिया हद से पार हो जाएगा। तेरी निगाहों का जो पार हो जाएगा। इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा। इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा।
That's very nice. Congratulations. This is, of course, your new song, Vishal Mishra. That's titled Pyar Ho Jayega. Also, Tiger Shroff shared the same song on his Insta story this morning. The song, of course...
A lot of my friends there, yeah. A lot of my friends there.
The song, the music video, of course, features you and actress Tanisha Sharma. Please tell us more about this soothing number.
It's actually very strange, you know, because I've been making a lot of songs which are romantic, of course, and which sometimes change and become into aggressive, sad romantic songs, and sometimes sad love songs. I just thought there is so much going on in the world. Why not make a song that puts a smile on everybody's face, you know? And I thought, then what should I write about? And the first gaze of love was something that has always kept me really inquisitive. And I did a film called Kabir Singh, and I made a song on first love. But I thought, why not make a song about when that magic connect happens, that moment where you connect with the person that you're not even aware of, you know? So, and I changed it a bit, so people think that this song is saying, "Is tarah na dekho, pyar ho jayega." मतलब इस तरह से तुम हमें मत देखो, वरना हम आपके प्यार में पड़ जाएंगे. Actually, it's the other way around. He's saying, "Don't look at me like that. You'll fall in love with me." So it's just fun. I thought it'll bring a smile on everybody's face, and we put it out, and the kind of love that we're getting for it, I feel so grateful about that.
You know, you just said the song just came to you, and you've written it. I'm very curious to know. You of course written this song with Akshay Tripathi. How easy does lyrics come to you?
See, for me, whether it's lyrics or whether it's composition, it's a very organic process, you know. I let it happen to me. Whether it's this song or any song that I've made, I don't force myself to follow a template. And when I sing, some words always come. So every tune, if you listen to a composition without words, it always says something, you know. There are certain words that it is speaking while it's not saying any words. So this composition, when I made, I thought, why not find words that fit in the groove exactly the way it is? And then Pyar Ho Jayega came to me. And I thought, let's dwell upon this story. And we wrote it in like 30-35 minutes only. So once it comes, it doesn't take a lot of time. But for that moment to happen, it's a long process, because it's like you're standing in a library and you don't know which book to pick up. So it's difficult, but when it happens, it's like magic.
You know, in August, PM Modi praised the song Vande Mataram that was sung by Tiger Shroff and was, of course, composed by you. What made you lock on Tiger Shroff to sing that song?
So Tiger was very keen on singing it. He heard the song and he said, "I want to sing," and he worked so hard on it. I was so happy that he came on board, and he worked so hard for 5-6 days. He was rehearsing every day, and then he sang it so beautifully. People couldn't believe that it's his voice, you know. And I was surprised for the second time, because last year I did a song called Muskurayega India, and Modi sir tweeted about that as well. He really liked that song, and this one also he was speaking about the song. So it's beautiful when the biggest leader of the country, a person that everybody is following, is keen and is liking your music that you're putting out. So it's like a blessing, and I feel very happy.
Also, what kind of bond do you share with Tiger Shroff? Are you friends? Is he or are you his preferred composer, or is the other way around?
There is no preference as such. He did his second film. His film was Munna Michael. It was my first Hindi film. It was his second film. So we nearly started together, and we have been together since then. And it's just beautiful. He's a man of heart. He is just too good, I feel, and he's a very dear friend. And I hope that we keep collaborating the way we do, and we keep supporting each other the way we do. It's just a beautiful bond.
Vishal, I'm very curious to know something. You're a self-made composer. You, of course, came from Unnao. What, according to you, is the stage which you define as a safe, financially safe stage for a composer and a singer today?
Nothing is financially safe, I guess, in this world. It's you are not safe until you're dead. If you're not around, then everything is okay. Otherwise, see, the struggle is forever. It's not about money or anything. It's just about the mental peace. When you're in a creative form, I feel God picks up people to speak for people who can't express what they want to. You feel safe when you have the money to feel secure mentally. But the struggle is more than that. It's not about money at all. It's about, now it's become way more than that. When you're a composer, when you're a singer, it's about numbers. It's about a lot of pressure that you have on your brain, and you want to do good all the time. So the pressure is to execute. What my teacher, when I was doing law, I had a professor called Mr. G.V. Ajappa. And he used to tell me that art of execution and art of understanding are two arts. So we in this world are after the art of execution. But actually, the point of magic is art of understanding. That is the difference, that is what keeps you. The art of execution keeps your mind occupied all the time and you don't feel safe. But financially stable, that stage can come anywhere. You do a good song and now the stage is digital. You can express yourself the way you want to. And I think if you have enough bank balance, you can at least be peaceful.
So let's talk about your other hit song. That was Kaise Hua from Kabir Singh. Yeah. The film, of course, bagged Filmfare Trophy for the best music.
Yeah.
And of course, it has multiple music composers attached to it. While recording that song, did you know that this is going to this is going to be a super hit?
While I record every song, I feel that this song is going to be a super hit. And praise God, it has been like that for me. Whatever songs I have done in the past 2-3 years, they've been songs that have really made a lot of noise. I feel while I was making Pehla Pyar was my first song in Kabir Singh. I was in London. It was December. Sandeep, who's the director of Kabir Singh, wanted me to write a song about first love, and we wrote it. And then he said, "Gana nahi mil raha. I'm not getting a song. There is a portion." And 2.5 hours before he was about to log the edit, he came to me with that portion. He said, "I want a song here." And in 2 hours, I made Kaise Hua. So what you hear outside, it's a couple of hours thing. And I always thought that you make something from heart, it connects to people. Sometimes it does the numbers it's supposed to, sometimes it doesn't. But all my songs, I'm deeply invested. I don't release a song just for the sake of it. I want to contribute to people. We are all vulnerable human beings. We are so similar to each other. So I want my music to be like companions to people. So that is the idea. And when it works, it feels really nice.
So what changed post the success of Kabir Singh?
The bank balance thing. that praise God.
I mean, both money-wise and career-wise.
The career was going fantastic. I had signed 6 films before Kabir Singh. I was doing Notebook. I had finished Notebook. Sand Ki Aankh, I was working on it for the past 2 years. And then all the other projects that I was doing at that time, I had done Veere, I had done Race. So Kabir just gave people an opportunity to connect all these strings together. Acha, ye gana bhi iska hai. Ye gana bhi iska hai. Ye gana bhi iska hai, I did a film called Kareeb Kareeb Single, and there was a song called Jaane De, which people love. It was Irfan Bhai's second last film. And every song that I had done just got connected to Kaise Hua, that, ye gana isne kiya, ye gana isne kiya, ye gana bhi isne kiya. And then people started to realize, no, there is so much happening around it, and everything got highlighted. And now, whatever I release, there are millions and millions of eyes on it. So Kaise Hua just gave me that thrust that you need to run before 100 meter. And I think I would want to complete the 100-meter race till I'm there.
Then please give us few lines of Kaise Hua.
I'll sing it for you. आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ.
Oh, nice. The other film which is which you're working on currently is S.S. Rajamouli's RRR.
Who told you that? Oh God.
The film, of course, stars Ajay Devgan and Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
What can we expect from the music of RRR? Have you seen bits of it?
I have not seen anything. I met Mr. Rajamouli, and there are some crazy songs in the film that I can tell you. Mr. Kirwani has done an amazing job, and the song that I am on to is going to be crazy. That is what I can tell you. I can't speak a lot, but it'll be crazy. So many beautiful things are happening, actually. So I'll tell you, not just what I'm doing down south. I'm singing a lot there also, but the kind of music that I'm doing here, I'm doing this film called Etu Si Baat, which is Lakshman Otekar's next film. He's producing this one. He's just done Mimi. And it's a beautiful album, and I'm really looking forward to people hearing that, because I'm in a very good space, as I said, I just don't want to do music for the heck of it. For me, it's a very divine thing, and I want people to feel the divinity when it comes out, so it's a beautiful process, and I'm enjoying.
Yuva Ratna is the other Kannada film for which you sang the song. The music composer was, of course, S. Thaman. He also composed and gave a very popular song called Butta Bama. How was the experience of working with S. Thaman?
Mr. Thaman is just too good. Let's see, South, the culture is so beautiful. You are treated like a king there. And I had a torrid time singing that song, because this song was in Telugu, if I'm not wrong. I think I sang in 3 languages. And I was very confident that I would nail Telugu. And Telugu I sang in a couple of hours. And then he said, Macha, we have 2 more languages. I said, what? Yeah, I'll enjoy my day. I'm in Hyderabad. What to do? I'll finish it in a couple of hours. And then came Kannada. And I started singing Kannada. I sang for 2 days. It was crazy, the language and everything. But that is what I enjoy. My first film, actually, coincidentally, was a Tamil film. I did this film called Devi. Mr. Vijay had directed that film, who has directed Thalaivi. That has just come out. So it was my first film, was a Tamil film. So at times I feel crazy that somebody from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, one of the deepest corners of the country, you come from there and you do your first film that is Tamil, and then you do Marathi, and then you do Hindi, So it is a coincidence of sorts, but it is beautiful. Music has no language, and Tamil is just great fun. Mr. Kirwani, M.M. Kareem, I love singing for him. I feel he is one of the most blessed composers. We all have been hearing his music since forever. But it's a different school there, and I would love to work more and more there, because I enjoy it, and I get great food as well. So that is high.
Even till late 70s, Lata Mangeshkar was learning music, even until the 1970s. Yeah. Do you have inclination to learn maybe Indian classical or a form of music which you think you yet to discover?
I'm learning every day. Sir, I'm learning every day. I'm a student of music. If you're not learning, then you're not doing anything. That is again art of understanding. As I told you, I do courses. I write my own music. I produce my own music. I play some 23, 24 instruments now. I want to make them more. I want to make, if you see my studio, if I turn around this screen, you would see some 17 guitars or keyboards. And I was even right now doing a course, there is an engineer called Tom Elcombrist, and he's a wonderful engineer. I keep doing all of this. See, you have to study. I read a lot. I don't read from phones and tablets and laptops. I read books. I'm blessed that I can write and read Urdu. So for me, it's all about learning 360 degree. Whether I hear a Thumri, whether I hear a Chota Khayal, and I do classical music as well. So if you go Sandhya, had folk rock and classical music, and then I get to do Kabir Singh also. So I'm learning all the time, Open.
So you have a good command on Hindi and on Urdu, right?
I can write and read Urdu also. Yes.
Then how do you do it with people here who doesn't know ki and ka properly?
बहुत तकलीफ होती है. मैं टोक देता हूँ मैं तो. मेरा तो बहुत बड़ा किस्सा मशहूर है. And I have learned it the hard way actually. I was in an audition and Javed Akhtar sir was there, and I sang in 2008. I sang something and I said fir. So उन्होंने मुझे रोक दिया. He said, stop. Do you know what is fool and pool? What is the difference between fool and pool? I said, I don't remember, sir. I said, I'm a fool. I didn't know. I was a kid. Yeah. But then he told me, "Aap to Lucknow wale, aapko talaffuz aana chahiye, and it is far. It is not far." And then I went into the intricacies of it. I said, "Let me own this language." And now I have a lot of friends who are poets, and they send me Urdu scripts, and I read them in Urdu, and I post them in Urdu at times. So if you check my Instagram, I'll keep writing in Urdu, and I understand the filatuns and the kafiyas and the radifs and everything. And you will notice them in my songs also. So whatever songs, you'll not hear words that are just unnecessary. And I try to keep it clean, try to keep the literature aware. And for that I read a lot, and it's beautiful. Words are blissful.
Thank you so much. And may I please request you to end this interview with your latest track, Pyar Ho Jayega?
Done. मैंने सुना आप भी गाते हैं, तो आप भी मन में गा लीजिए. इस तरह ना देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा. डरता हूँ हद से ज्यादा, यार हो जाएगा. इश्क का दरिया हद से पार हो जाएगा. इश्क का दरिया हद से पार हो जाएगा. तुमको भी जाना मुझसे प्यार हो जाएगा. इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार हो जाएगा. इस तरह न देखो यारा, प्यार